What is going on, guys? Sir Lewis here with your daily Doge updates. As always, if you guys are new to the channel, definitely follow, like for new updates. I'm coming out with a free Discord very soon, and I'll let you guys know when it comes out. But let's take a look here at Dogecoin. I got a lot to talk about in this video, guys. You can see that we are at 15 cents now. Okay, we are at 15 cents, which we haven't been for Dogecoin since November 2022, almost 2 years ago. Right? So there's two scenarios here that can happen for Dogecoin. I'm going to give you guys here what I believe based on the technical analysis, not financial advice. But one thing that I got to say that's super bullish, that confirms the bottom here for Dogecoin, is the fact that we had an Adam and Eve double bottom, right? You can see right here. This is exactly an Adam and Eve. If you don't know what an Adam and Eve is, Google it. This is exactly an Adam and Eve double bottom. Basically, it's a pattern that it has a heavy drop and then a V-shaped recovery. So it's like a V-shaped drop. And then it has like a curved drop, right? It's like a curvature here, double bottoming here around the same range. And that's exactly what Dogecoin did, as well as many altcoins that did a similar pattern, okay? Which is pretty bullish. Now, there's two scenarios here that I can see happening for Dogecoin. And again, if you're like me and you're in for the long term, I'm not even trying to trade my amount of Dogecoin. I might try to trade a small amount, but I know that Dogecoin is gonna fly even higher. But here, before I tell you guys the two scenarios, let me actually show you this because this is important too. Okay, you can see right here that Dogecoin. This is on the monthly, right? The first bull market, it took 37 bars on the monthly. Okay, each bar is a monthly candle, 37 bars. Next bull market, it took about 34 bars. You can see right there, it took about 34 bars. And then the next one here, if we're gonna count, February starting that Dogecoin bull market, you can see that it took 33 bars, right? Look at that. This right there, you count to that big candle up there. This is a very similar structure. So if you look at this structure, right, you would say that, yeah, I mean, the next play for Dogecoin is a huge pump here to the upside, a god candle basically, okay? But I would be careful because this happened after Bitcoin pumped for weeks and broke all-time highs. So I believe that Dogecoin is not going to have a god candle or a huge pump, right, until Bitcoin breaks all-time highs, which could be very soon, even before the halving, okay? But I just wanted to show you guys this because, share this with anyone who says that technical analysis is BS and, looking at the charts is just some YouTubers out there that are so stupid. They compare this to like astrology. It just pisses me off because these guys, they're just talking about the fundament, which is important, right? The fundamentals are important, but these guys are bashing, traders, technical analysis, YouTubers who talk about coins, helping people buy at the best times, right? Not just trading like day trading, but helping people buy. Like I made a bunch of videos using technical analysis telling you guys that we were at the bottom of the bear market, and I will be doing the same when we're at the top of the bull market. And these guys are bashing us. You know what I'm saying? So just because they think it's random and they say that look at this. Does this look random to you? Tell me. Does this look random to you? Look at it. So, just share this with them. But I'm going to tell you the two scenarios right now, of which I can see playing out for Dogecoin. Because we did break out of this asymmetrical triangle, right? The same way that we broke out of it right here. We broke out of it here, right here, and we had this crazy pump. Okay. But again, I would be very, if Dogecoin has a god candle like it did right here, if it has a god candle next month or even this month, I'll be very surprised because Bitcoin still has yet to break its all-time highs. I mean, it's very close at the moment as we speak. It's around 63,500, but I would expect Dogecoin to make that move after Bitcoin breaks all-time highs, okay? Because it did exactly that basically all the previous bull markets. But the two scenarios here, guys, are we could either pull back, right, and it'll be normal, right? We'll pull back, which actually will be like a cup and handle, right? Cup and handle here, pulling back since, some people might call it a double top. It'll be like a cup and handle where we pull back to where I believe if we pull back, I don't see Dogecoin going lower than 9 to 8 cents. Okay, 9 to 8 cents. Okay, not, to be honest, 9 to 10 cents. So if Dogecoin goes back to like around 10 cents, I think it's a great buy. If you want to accumulate more, or if you haven't, bought any. But it could definitely pull back to 10 cents, and then that'll be the handle, which will also be a higher low, right? Because we'll confirm that higher low right there on the support and then bounce off of that higher low, which is bullish. Now, the next scenario is going to be something that can very well play out, which is a short squeeze up here to the next range. And this next range is this range right here, which is exactly 18 to 20 cents. Okay, so around 18 to 20 cents, this is the next range here that I believe Dogecoin can squeeze up either in the next coming days or after it does that cup and handle back to 10 cents and then starts working back up. Okay, the reason why is you can see right here, this exact range, 18 to 20 cents. This is exactly where Dogecoin actually fell off deep into the bear market. Okay, this is where it lost the support, and it held the support for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months. 5 months back in 2021. This was during the bull market. It held this support, and then finally December, right, it lost that support, and then after it lost that support, that would have been a great short right there. It went all the way down into the deep ends of the bear market to like 5 cents, 4 cents, which is insane, but that's what happened. So I see a short squeeze up here. Next target is 18, 20 cents. And then, we'll see. I'll keep you guys updated once we get there. But most likely when we get there, it's going to take a minute for, it might take a while for us to break that. Right? So I can see us doing that. And then breaking that once Bitcoin breaks all-time highs. So we might do that the next coming days. And then once Bitcoin breaks all-time highs, that might be when Dogecoin just has a god candle, right? Which would be insane. But yeah, just watch Bitcoin, and let's see here too. Let me see here. My bad. Well, we gotta keep our eyes on Bitcoin. Another chart here that I wanted to share with you guys is the Bitcoin Doge pair. Okay, BTC Doge or Doge BTC. You got to also be looking at this chart because this is a very important chart to look at, because this is Bitcoin. This is the Doge and Bitcoin pair. This is Doge against Bitcoin. And every time it goes up, that means Dogecoin is performing better than Bitcoin. You can see right here that we had a big bounce. This is the biggest bounce here that we had since July 2023. Okay? And we're coming, here's the thing too, right? We're coming to that big range here. So maybe once we come up here, might be when Dogecoin is around 20 cents. So this would be a great, this might be a great short, right? When it comes around here, and if Dogecoin is 20 cents, it might be a good short scalp or a short swing, but you got to take profits very fast, right? So I believe Doge breaks this only after Bitcoin breaks its all-time highs. Once it breaks its all-time highs, it might take a couple days, weeks, or so, and then that's when it's gonna do something like that. Okay, so that's what I see happening right here for Dogecoin. And again, I'm bringing the free Discord. I'll let you guys know when it comes out this month. It's gonna be 100% free. The only thing I sell, guys, are my indicators and charts, and I code all of them. I make all of them all in TradingView. But thank you guys so much for watching. Follow for more if you guys are new. Share this with your friends. Follow for more. I do have a free Telegram in the link tree. And if you want to trade on MEXC, which has zero spot trading fees, you can join in my link. So thank you guys so much. Love you guys. Peace.